A very good morning to all my students. Welcome to VBPS e-learning class. Students, I hope you all are fine and stay safe at your home. Now students, this is your maths period. Students, nowadays we are studying chapter 5, that is decimal, and we are doing exercise 5H. Yesterday we have started question number 1 of exercise 5H, in which we have completed A to D part. So today also we will do question number 1 of exercise 5H. Today we will do the remaining part of question number 1 of exercise 5H. Question number 1, that is divide the following decimal numbers. Students, today also you are going to learn how to divide the given decimal numbers. Now students, open your maths book and maths copy. Open page number 92 in your maths book. Today we will study question number 1 of exercise 5H. Today we will do the remaining part of question number 1 of exercise 5H. Students, now let's start your maths class. Students, today we will study the remaining part of question number 1. Divide the following. Now students, come to E part. Question is 17.2 divided by 8. Students, in this question we are going to divide 17.2 by 8. So first of all we will write 17.2 here. Now students, we will write 8 here. Students, now we are going to divide 17.2 by 8. So 8 2 ja 16. So we will write 2 here and 16 here, because 8 2 ja 16. Now students, we will subtract these two numbers. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Students, you can see that here is a decimal point. So here also we will put a decimal point. Now students, 1 is not coming in the table of 8. So we will copy down next number, that is 2 here. So students, now this number is 12. So 8 1 ja 8. So we will write 1 here and 8 here. Students, why we have written 8? Because 12 is not coming in the table of 8. So we want a number which is equal to 12 or less than 12. So we have taken 8 because 8 is less than 12. So 8 1 ja 8. We have written 1 here and then 8 here, because 8 is less than 12. So we have written 8 here. Now students, we will subtract these two numbers. Students, 12 minus 8 is 4. So we will write 4 here. Now students, 4 is not coming in the table of 8. So we will write 0 here, and after that we will divide 40 by 8. So 8 5 ja 40. So we will write 5 here and then 40 here, because 8 5 ja 40. Now students, we will subtract these two numbers. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. So students, 2.15. This is your answer. Now students, when you divide 17.2 by 8, it gives you 2.15 as quotient. Students, 2.15. This is your answer. Thus, 17.2 divided by 8 gives you 2.15 as quotient. Students, 2.15. This is your answer. Students, now come to F part. Question is 9.045 divided by 9. Students, in this question, we are going to divide 9.045 by 9. So, first of all, we will write 9.045 here. 9.045. After that, we will write 9 here. Now students, we are going to divide 9.045 by 9. So 9 1 ja 9. So we will write here 1 and 9 here because 9 1 ja 9. Now students, we will subtract these two numbers. 9 minus 9 is 0. Students, you can see that here is a decimal point. So here also we will put a decimal point. Now students, we will copy down next number, that is 0. Here we will write 0. Students, 0 cannot be divided by 9. So we will write here 0 and then copy down next number, that is 4. So we will write here 4. Now students, 4 is not coming in the table of 9. So again we will write here 0 and then copy down next number, that is 5 here. So we will write 5 here. Now students, we will divide 45 by 9. So 9 5 ja 45. So we will write 5 here and then 45 here because 9 5 ja 45. Now students, we will subtract these two numbers. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. So students, 1.005. This is your answer. Students, when you divide 9.045 by 9, it gives you 1.005 as quotient. And students, 1.005, this is your answer. Thus, 9.045 divided by 9 gives you 1.005 as quotient. Students, 1.005, this is your answer. Students, now come to H part. Question is 120.3 divided by 6. Students, in this question, we are going to divide 120.3 by 6. So first of all, we will write 120.3 here. Students, now we will write 6 here. Students, now we are going to divide 120.3 by 6. So 6 2 ja 12. So we will write 2 here and then 12 here. Because 6 2 ja 12. Now students, we will subtract these two numbers. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Students, now we will copy down next number, that is 0 here. Students, 0 cannot be divided by 6. So, we will write 0 here. Now students, you can see here is a decimal point. So here also we will put a decimal point. Students, now we will copy down next number, that is 3 here. Students, 3 cannot be divided by 6 because 3 is not coming in the table of 6. So we will write 0 here and then write 0 here. Now students, we will divide 30 by 6. So 6 5 ja 30. So we will write 5 here and then 30 here because 6 5 ja 30. Now students, we will subtract these two numbers. 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. So students, 20.05. This is your answer. Students, when you divide 120.3 by 6, it's give you 20.05 as questioned. So students, 20.05. This is your answer. Thus, 120.3 divided by 6 gives you 20.05 as questioned. Students, 20.05. This is your answer. Students, note down your homework. G part. This is your homework. This you have to do it in your fair copy and show me tomorrow.